In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to close your Stripe account in just a few simple steps. Whether you've decided to switch services or simply no longer require your account, closing it is straightforward and can be accomplished in about 5 minutes. Let's walk through the process together so you can close your account swiftly and securely. First, we need to head to the Stripe website. Open your preferred web browser and go to stripe.com. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Look for the sign in button at the top right corner of the home page. Click on it to proceed to the login page. At the login page, enter your registered email address and password associated with your Stripe account. Double check your details to avoid any errors, and make sure that you're entering the credentials for the account you wish to close. Once you've filled in your information, click on the sign in button to access your account's dashboard. After signing in, you'll be directed to your account's dashboard. From here, we need to navigate to the settings. You'll usually find settings at the bottom left side of the navigation menu. Click on this to open the settings section for your account. Within the settings, look for account settings. This is where you'll manage the crucial details related to your account. Click on business to continue. The next screen will offer various options related to your business account settings. Now scroll down the page until you find the close your account option. This might be towards the bottom, so don't hesitate to take your time scrolling if necessary. Clicking on this section will provide further instructions and details about the implications of closing your account. Finally, click on close account. Stripe may prompt you with a confirmation dialog to ensure that you really want to proceed with closing your account. This is an essential step to prevent any accidental closures, so confirm that you indeed intend to close it. Once confirmed, your account will be set for closure. Keep in mind that closing your account is generally permanent and you might lose access to historical data associated with it. If you have any concerns or need to export data, consider doing so before completing the closure process. And there you have it, folks. You've successfully learned how to close your Stripe account. Following these steps will ensure you manage your business accounts efficiently and securely. If you need any